Hello, today I have a long dress. My customer want me to take in at the waist area. At the front we have one dot here and one dot here, and I want to follow this line to tap this one in a little bit, and this side I will do the same, and the lining they cut exactly the same the outside, so we have one dot here and the inside the same. So this is the inside. We have the top stitching along here, so now I want to unpick the top stitching first, and this side I will do the same. Okay, from the line of the dash I want to take about 3 centimeters. After I cut some top stitching off, I turn it to inside. Now I want to take the cross stitching off, but I don't take it too much. I just take it off enough for me to do the job. And this side I will do the same. So now I want to tap this in nearly 1 centimeter. Okay, I will sew from here in, and then I will join the original at the bottom here. And now I sew this. And then the lining I will do the same amount. And I put two of them together. One is go to this side and one to go to other side to make it thinner. And the important thing is you should not take it up too much like this to sew it. You need to put it stay down as normal like this, and then sew it. And then I will sew the same the old line. Yes, and this side I will do the same. If you want it look nice, you try to get in and in and in until nothing. And this side I will do the same. One I turn to this side, and the lining I turn to this side, and then the dot together, and this one go this side. And when I sew it, follow the original from here to here. to the outside. So usually when we sew two pieces together, usually one piece we have the top stitching, because when we iron it, this piece will stay a little bit lower and it will not show outside. So if you don't sew it down, you can see a little bit on the top here. So the top stitching a little bit important. So now I have to open this and then I do the top stitching again from here to here and from here to here. Okay, we make sure at the bottom the body of the dress stay this side and the line is stay other side, and then you can sew cross here. Thank you very much for your watching. I finished my job. See you later.